Are you looking to live among the life and vibrancy of downtown Naples, but far enough away where you have peace and serenity at home? We have a perfect opportunity for you under $400,000 in Kings Lake. Come check it out. This floor plan was intelligently designed with the primary bedroom and the guest bedroom, which is perfect for visitors. You can walk right out your front door of this first floor unit, right to Publix, or take a 3-mile bike ride to Fifth Avenue. If you're ready to call this Oasis home, give us a call.